guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me Vijaya once again. Obviously you would have read the title. It is Get Ready With Me for an Indian Wedding. Now so many of my friends, relatives, everyone wanted to see how I get ready, and I thought why not film a video on this. So there I am with a Get Ready With Me. In case if you liked what you watched, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I usually make DIY videos, but I'm here with a new video today. So in case if I've done something wrong, please forgive, and let's just jump into the video now. Thank you. I will start with my MAC foundation. I have already applied Nivea lotion to my face, and now I'm trying to make my skin look even. I prefer using my hands for applying makeup because I feel like brush consumes a lot of time, which I don't want to. So I'm using my hands to just apply my foundation, and also for all the other process that I'm gonna do. Now I'm using body talc from the brand Assure in the replacement of compact, because I believe compact makes my skin very dry, whereas body talc doesn't do that. Now my brows are really very messy. I need to fix them first. I am using my eyebrow pencil to just make an outline and not filling them. With a brush, I will just smudge the lines that we just made. This would fill my brows and not make it look too dark. And there we are done with the eyebrows. Do not forget to apply lip gloss. Until the time I'm done with my makeup, this will just nourish my lips and protect it from getting dark. Once done, I am using my Deborah blush to just highlight my eye crease. I decided to go with smoky eyes for the South Indian look, and for that I am applying my eyeliner first. Yes, you heard that correct. I am applying the liner first. Once the liner is perfect, the day feels so good. I am using my eyeshadow palette from H&H Professional Makeup. It smells so good. So a light brown shade will be good for this look. Again, I am using my hands to just apply. It is completely fine if your liner is getting a bit blur. Now I am using the creamy shade to highlight my brow bones, and will also apply this in the inner corner of my eyes. Now with the dark grey shade, I will just try to smudge my liner and try to make it smoky. In short, I am just spoiling my liner. Once done with the smudging, I will apply my kajal. Now my eyes get really watery, so to stop the tear, I try to get calm and close my eyes for 5 seconds. We'll be doing the same with the other eye as well. Now comes my favorite portion. Oops, no, not playing with my hairs. That is putting mascara. I have seen many people directly rolling the mascara, but no. Firstly, you'll have to apply the mascara and then you roll them. You can see my eyes from now itself look so smoky. I will also apply it on the lower lashes. Now for my lips, I am using Elle Colourpop Silk in the shade R02. But this will not go with my look because I need a smoky eyes, and red doesn't go with the smoky eye. So on top of it, I will be using Atomic Red Matte in the shade 04 from Deborah. It looks way better now. Yes, my lipstick just got spoiled. I'll figure out that later. And 1, 2, 3, there we go. I was really amazed with the way it turned out to be. And this is how I have created this South Indian look. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys with my next video. Bye bye.